Hey everybody! How are you guys doing today? So today we are going to be doing a makeup tutorial. I'm so excited for you guys to see the look, which is this look. I hope you guys enjoy and start. There you go. So to start off with the makeup look, I start off with my foundation. It is the Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup. This is one of my favorite foundations. It's my second time getting this. It's pretty nice. I love it. So basically what I do is I go ahead and put super little, like, compared to all of the beauty gurus, this is a scary amount, meaning it is like a lot less than you would see on an average beauty guru. Bam. Alright, I'm back with my hair tied because without it being tied, it is pretty difficult doing makeup. So basically, what I'm doing now is just spreading out all the foundation on my skin, trying to get it everywhere as much as possible because that's what we want. We want to get the foundation everywhere. Like I said, I make sure the stuff is blended as if it was my own skin, which it's not, but shh, keep that a secret. But once again, this is the Clinique Stay Matte Oil-Free Makeup. I'll have all the makeup down below in the description, so if you want to go buy that yourself, you can. I just wanted to mention really quick that I am not sponsored at all. I'm not sponsored, although it'd be great if you did sponsor me, Clinique, and all the other brands that I used, because I love your makeup. Here it is, the Marc Jacobs Remarkable Concealer. I love this thing so much. As you can see, I'm just like almost done with it, and I'm so sad. I love it. It takes like a week for this to ship to me, but it's still nice. So I go ahead and use my own finger. I know. I use this much. It's very little. So all we gotta do is we're gonna pat that and then swipe it across. Now that seemed, that was too much. I don't like that. There you go. Now that's even way too much. That's a little too much for my liking, but that's okay. We can always work with a little too much. Although a little is a lot, so it can go a long way. So I pat with my finger. I have not used a beauty blender in a while. I only use a beauty blender when it comes to trying to take off a couple of weird lines, but otherwise I never really get lines. It's rare when I do, but I always keep a beauty blender around just in case of any emergency. But overall, I never really use any beauty blender anymore. A little goes a long way, everybody, so please don't use a lot of concealer nor a lot of foundation, because I promise you, I started, like I said, a few months ago, like roughly, not a few months ago, it's been almost 6 months that I've been doing this makeup look, where I do the most little as possible makeup look, and it's been going very well. I think it is so pretty to have just less makeup as much as possible. Oh no, what's that? As much like less, I mean like less makeup, because I think that the more makeup you put, the more you're hiding your actual face, and it's just not cute. I think that the, exotic purple eyeshadow and all that stuff is so unnecessary. That's why I'm not really buying any palettes anymore. And when I do buy a palette, it's because I'm using it for the colors that I need, that I put on my eyes. I go with a very subtle eyeshadow look, but otherwise I never go for those like exotic looks. Although yes, in the past I have used an exotic look that I'm so not, you know, proud of because it just looks so weird and so bad. Throw back to that old video that I did, which is the top 5 things gamers hate. That was a really weird makeup look I did. So yeah, anyways, so here is the concealer. It looks like it's literally gone because that's how much I blend. I literally blend it until it's invisible, like as if it was my own skin. As I mentioned about the foundation, I do that with this. Here's the Airspun loose face powder. Loosen face powder, oops. I've been using this roughly for 6 months and it's been doing pretty well. Although I did want to say really quick, I use so little, like it's really okay, so I'm just gonna show you how much I put. So you know how like you just take it out of the bag and there's like a lot of powder on it? I take that off. I don't know if you can see that dust, but I definitely can, and that's just too much for me. I don't like that. So I take it off and then I take the remaining little powders and then I pat it on my skin. I wanted to mention, like I said, I'm not a beauty guru. This is just how I do my makeup and how I've been doing my makeup for roughly 6 months. So yeah, that's how much I put. As you can see, there's no powder on my face at all. It's just like, it's so little that it's not even there. So that's how much I use for this loosened powder. And that is it for that. Thank you. All right, so the very next thing we are going to use is my favorite part of this whole thing is my blush. My blush is my best friend. It makes me look so rosy, and here's the Clinique blush that I use. I love this thing so much. It is such a wonderful blush. So I'm just gonna pat that on. Once I feel like I used enough of the blush, I'm going to just tap that on like so. I am going to be using the Tarte Pro Glow To Go. This I've been using, I was gifted this by my friends and they're such wonderful human beings. So what I do is I just put that all over my eyelid, all over. All right, I'm finally done with the 2 eyes. So that is it for this Pro Glow To Go Tarte palette. I'm going to be using these 2 things, these 2 brushes. These are my To Go always. Like I only use 2, and those are the 2 that I use always. And I'm going to be using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I love this palette so much because it is so colorful. I love that. This brush right here, we're going to be taking these 2 colors right here, this one and this one, and we're mixing those 2 colors. So bam, twice, and then go on your eyelid. This one and this one. I'm using those 2 colors. The very next color I use is this pink one right here, this very top pink color. We're going to take this black color and put it under our eyes. This part can be a little tricky, just a little bit, but don't worry, it's really easy. So just take the black, bam, tap it off, and use this part of the brush, the sharp pointy part. I know that looks intense, but trust me, it's not once it's gonna be blended out. But with the remaining black we have on our brush, just put a little bit on your eyeshadow like so. Go back to this brush. So all you gotta do is just finally do this like that. The next thing we do is we take our little fingers. This is where our fingers come in place. Make sure your fingers are clean. But basically what we do is we blend them out. We basically like spread that out, and if it's a little too much, just grab a beauty blender and fix it up there. We're gonna use these two blue colors right here. So here you go, I'm gonna show you. This one right here, and this one. This and this. And now what you gotta do is you're gonna put it on your eyelid, just as if it was like an eyeliner. Alright, so the very next thing I use is the Brow Zings Benefit by Benefit. I'm going to be taking the eyebrow gel and I'm going to brush up my eyebrows. The very next thing I'm going to be using is this lovely thing. It's called an eyelash curler. I'll have my specific one linked down below. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Better Than Blank mascara. This is why I love the Better Than Blank mascara. It's so nice. It works so well, just like the Tarte one, but this, I don't know why, but this formula feels very soft and very subtle. First, I always put Vaseline because I've heard that it helps you, you know, not have chapped lips and blah, blah, blah. So that's what I do. But what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take my lip liner and we're going to quickly, and my lips, be careful. If you feel the need to make your lips a little bit bigger by just going a little over the line, that's fine. Just don't go too crazy with it and don't make it noticeable. Bam! And for the very last part, grand finale, my Smashbox. I tried to go find another one because I was in love with this at one point in my life and I couldn't find this, so this will not be in the description. I'll try to find like a similar one for you guys. I love this thing because it's just so pretty, so nice. So I think that's it. That's it. So I'm gonna put my hair down just a really quick bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a like if you guys liked the video, and make sure to subscribe to this channel if you hated this video. Guys, make sure to comment down below letting me know what else I should do. Another makeup tutorial of look that you ask, or any video suggestions are always appreciated. And also make sure to comment down below letting me know what your favorite makeup brand is. I don't really have one because my heart goes on for all of the brands that I use today, but I love you guys once more. You guys have a great day. Yeah, I love you.